Hello everybody. Now today we'll see paper number 5, All for Love by John Dryden, and we will start with the part 1. In total there are 5 parts. Today we'll see part 1. Now we can see the name All for Love. We have seen the characters also. Dryden has taken the source of this play, All for Love, from Antony and Cleopatra, which was also source for Shakespeare in 17th century. Now the first scene, the part 1, that Serapion and Myrrhis, both are priests in Egypt, they are talking, and Alexis, eunuch of Cleopatra, enters. Now these people talking about something wrong going on here in the city, some natural calamities, some flood, and something ill omen. Ill omen means something apshakun. And here Cleopatra's companion Alexis, he did not agree with the point, because he said that Cleopatra and Antony are both loving each other, and we can't blame Antony since he's staying in Egypt, leaving Rome behind. We can't blame that because of Antony these things are happening in the city. Actually, the problem, what we see here, that what people had, that Antony was already married. We've seen yesterday in the characters list, and he left his wife behind in Rome and he came to Egypt, and he was in a true love, very much first his love, utter love with Cleopatra, and he was staying in Egypt. So people did not like this approach of Antony staying in Egypt. And Alexis could not bear that anybody blaming Cleopatra's love, that is Antony. People there were discussing that Antony is very sad now. He is not much happy. He is in gloomy mood. And the reason is, actually he has defeated at the hands of Octavius the battle of Actium. So Antony has defeated the battle of Actium, and Antony is feeling very gloomy, very sad, and everybody is worried about Antony's sadness. He is not talking, he is not eating, he is not drinking, he is not becoming social. So everybody are worrying about Antony's behavior, because he has lost battle, and he is in a very gloomy and pensive mood. The priest Serapion describes that because of Antony staying in Egypt, they have been benefited. Otherwise, Rome would have captured Egypt. But since Antony, the greatest general, soldier, is in Egypt and is in love with Cleopatra, so he is staying here, and that's why they are safe. And he also says that otherwise Egypt would have been a Roman Empire. Now the news comes that Antony is, I told you earlier, very sad. He has locked himself and is not talking with anybody. And there comes Antony's general, Ventidius. He is also much worried about Antony's fate. Now Serapion, the priest, thinks on this matter very critically. See, they can't afford that Antony is in gloomy mood, because if Antony is sad, then ultimately, automatically, Cleopatra will also be sad. And that will create a chaotic atmosphere, a gloomy atmosphere in the whole city of Egypt. See, when the king is happy, we are also happy. Raja Khush, the Praja Khush. If Raja is having any problem, ultimately what will happen? It will directly or indirectly affect the people of the nation. That's why they are thinking, if the king is not happy, then the city ultimately will be sad. So they are trying to keep Antony happy, but he is not speaking, he is not opening his mouth, he is not eating, he is not drinking at all, because he is much affected by the battle which he was defeated, and he is in Egypt keeping silent. Even he is not talking with Cleopatra much. So Serapion the priest, in order to make Antony happy, he calls on Egyptians and discusses, let's throw a party. Let's throw a party for Antony, so that by this Antony and Cleopatra once again can strengthen their relationship. Once again they can come closer, and somewhat Antony can make his mood little lighter. Antony is sad because, as I told earlier, he lost the battle. He could not digest that. He was a very strong general, and he couldn't digest that he lost the battle. So, by seeing this, Ventidius, Antony's general, he comes, approaches and convinces him. He says that, don't worry, we are with you. The whole army is standing for you to fight on your behalf, but in one condition. And the condition was, if you leave Cleopatra, then the army will fight for you. Army is with you. So it means you're not alone. Don't feel bad. You're not alone. You still are strong. You still are brave. You are still courageous, valorous. You have an army, but the army only will come with you or help you if you leave Cleopatra. So it means you must leave Egypt. If you're in Egypt, you're loving Cleopatra, you're living in Egypt, the army will not be with you. The small condition told by Ventidius, a friend, a general of Antony. And here Antony is very much sad because he has to leave his beloved Cleopatra, which is not possible for Antony. But in this part 1, we see that Ventidius is anyhow convincing Antony to leave Cleopatra if he wants the army to help him. So in today's lecture, we have seen part 1, the beginning of the play, the beginning scene, that how the priests are talking, two priests are talking about the different thing going on in the city. And then Alexis, the eunuch, the companion of Cleopatra, also joins them. He defends Antony and Cleopatra's relationship because he knew that Cleopatra is loving Antony so much that he can't talk bad about Antony. And there the story proceeds. We have seen the reason why Antony was sad. We have seen what can be done to make him happy. The priest calls a party so that your party makes us happy always. We are very happy when we have to go to any party or when we throw a party. When we become host or when we become guest, in both situations we are happy because party makes us happy ultimately. So this priest says that if we throw a party, Antony will be happy because we can't afford that Antony becomes sad because ultimately it affects the whole city, Egypt. So, in next lecture, we'll see part 2. Now, what happens when Cleopatra learns about this news that Antony is going to leave her. So, till then, girls, read this part 2. First of all, revise part 1, what we discussed today, and read part 2 so that when I take next lecture on part 2, you may be very clear with the idea of part 2. Till then, be safe, stay at home and take care. Bye.